Characteristics of the people of Indus Valley civilization. I am Mohammad Usman from Moonlight International Publication House, and I thank you all for being here with me with a new interesting topic of history. The topic that we are going to explore is very important, and that is about the significant characteristics of the people of Indus Valley Civilization. यानी जो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के लोग थी उनकी नुमाया खसूसियात क्या हैं, वो किन आस्पेक्ट्स के हवाले से उनको अहमियत की निगाह से जो है वो देखा जाता है. Dear students, although in history there are some areas regarding which we do not find sufficient information for understanding, and Indus Valley civilization is one of those topics of history which do not provide us irrelevant, you can say, sufficient information. So it is very difficult, it has been very difficult for historians to construct the salient features of the people of Indus Valley civilization. But apart from this, archaeologists have been successful to piece together some information based on their excavations. Although हमें इनके हवाले से कोई रेलेवेंट हिस्टोरिकल अकाउंट नहीं मिलता, लेकिन आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट ने अपनी एफर्ट से, अपनी अटैम्प्ट से, अपनी एक्सकवेशन से जो है एक तरह की हिस्ट्री लिखी है, जिसकी मदद से हम ना सिर्फ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के हवाले से हमें रहनुमाई मिलती है, बल्कि हमें इनके डिफरेंट जो सेलिंग फीचर्स है उनके हवाले से भी हमें अंदाज़ा होता है. सो नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस वन बाय वन the salient characteristics of the people of Indus Valley civilization. First of all, daily life. The people of the Indus Valley civilization used to live in small houses. When I talk about small houses, it means I am referring to the common people of then society. They used river water not only for the purpose of drinking, but also to cultivate their lands and different other aspects. So now if we talk about the children life, most of the time they assisted, they helped their parents in farming and different professions of the life. Next aspect is agriculture. Agriculture was very important part of the people of Indus Valley civilization. They used to cultivate different crops such as wheat, barley, and many other products were highly produced at that time. यानी एग्रीकल्चर जो थी वो इनकी एक तरह की नुमाया आस्पेक्ट था. इनका जो आप कह लें इकॉनमी जो थी वो एक तरह की एग्रीकल्चरस्ट इकॉनमी थी. यानी ये डिफरेंट क्रॉप्स, जिसमें वीट, बार्ले का मैंने जिक्र किया है, इनके अलावा अदर क्रॉप्स भी ये लोग प्रोड्यूस करते थे. नाउ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट ट्रेड, दे वर इन्वॉल्व इन वैरायटी ऑफ ट्रेड एक्टिविटीज़. For example, they traded precious metals of gold and silver. They also developed expertise in metallurgies. So they were very, very skilled in terms of making different things at that time, which were later on traded not only within the Indus Valley civilization, but across the Indus Valley civilization. So now if we talk about the religion, the sources that have come to us let us know that they believe in multiple gods, as they were male goddesses, they were female goddesses, they were mother goddesses of different kinds. तो लिहाजा अगर हम इनके मजहबी पहलुओं की बात करें तो हमें सोर्सेज ये बताते हैं कि इनका किसी एक खुदा पे यकीन नहीं था. इनके कई खुदा थे, जिनमें मदर गॉडेसेस हैं, मेल गॉडेसेस हैं. तो लिहाजा इनका कोई एक वादानियत पे, खुदा पे इनका यकीन नहीं था. सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट देयर इकोनॉमी, सो देयर इकोनॉमी वाज प्राइमरली बेस्ड ऑन एग्रीकल्चर. इट वाज एग्रीकल्चरल सोसाइटी, एंड फॉर ट्रेड एंड फॉर इकोनॉमी द सिस्टम विच वाज वाइडली यूज्ड दैट वाज बार्टर सिस्टम. यानी बार्टर जो सिस्टम था उसका वाइडली यूज़ किया जाता था. So dear student, with this we can conclude this topic that this civilization was really you can say, very significant civilization in terms of its salient features. Thank you very much.